2 seconds. That's all that separates a routine takeoff from a fiery inferno carrying 200 souls. At Austin Bergstrom Airport, February 4, 2023, a FedEx Boeing 767 is barreling down runway 18L, landing out of the fog. At the other end, a Southwest 737 spools up for takeoff, same runway, same time. The air traffic controller, working a fatiguing overnight shift, had just cleared both. As the Southwest pilot pulls back, the first officer spots the landing lights through the mist. Abort! Abort! He thrusts the throttles to max, but the 737 isn't airborne yet. The FedEx plane roars overhead by a mere 100 feet, a distance you can close in a sneeze. This wasn't a one-off. In 2023, the US saw over 1,700 runway incursions. That's nearly 5 per day. The most terrifying category, where a collision was only seconds away, spiked by 33% in just 1 year. We're not talking about minor paperwork errors, these are fully loaded passenger jets and cargo planes hurtling toward disaster, saved only by last-second heroics or sheer luck. And the root cause? A system screaming for help. The FAA has a gaping hole of 3,000 air traffic controllers. Towers at critical hubs like New York and Miami operate at 60% staffing, forcing controllers to work 6-day weeks, 10-hour days, then handle the most complex airspace on Earth with a foggy, exhausted brain. Meanwhile, the infrastructure is Jurassic. Some radar systems still run on floppy disks. The NOTAM system, which issues critical safety alerts, crashed entirely in 2023, grounding all domestic flights for hours. You, sitting in seat 24B, trust your life to a system held together by duct tape and overtime. The crack started decades ago. After the 1981 PATCO strike, over 11,000 controllers were fired, and hiring never fully recovered. Airlines consolidated, flights doubled, but controller ranks shrank. Since 2012, the FAA's budget has lagged inflation by billions, even as passenger numbers hit record highs. Every modern gadget in the cockpit can't fix a tired human on the ground misreading a radar blip. The Austin near miss? The controller had only 4 hours of sleep between back-to-back shifts. Imagine this, it's a rainy night in Atlanta, the world's busiest airport. A trainee controller, supervised but overwhelmed, clears a regional jet to cross runway 9L just as a heavy A330 roars in at 160 knots. The TCAS screams, but it's too late. The wing slices through the RJ's fuselage. That's not fiction, it's the ghost of Tenerife, 1977, haunting us. The NTSB has warned that unless we fix staffing and tech, a catastrophic collision is no longer a question of if, but when. And when that happens, the fallout won't just be tragic, it will shatter public trust in the safest way to travel. Yet here's the insane truth, aviation is still the gold standard of safety, because of the heroes hanging on. But they can't hold forever. Congress has authorized funds, but hiring is glacial. New tech like AI-assisted warning systems could fill gaps, but bureaucracy drags. The lesson? Our entire system teeters on the edge of a single human error. The next time you buckle up, remember, the quiet chaos in the tower is the only thing keeping you from the wrong side of a statistic. If you want to understand the hidden forces shaping your world, from corporate collapses to global risks, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Next week, we're exposing the trillion-dollar flaw in the global supply chain that could leave grocery shelves empty. You won't believe how fragile it is. Thanks for watching.